Okay, we're going to look at now problem solving with point slope form. I want you to be able to explain what information is needed to problem solve with point slope form, and talk about how we would go about looking at these word problems. Make sure you have your essential question written down and continue on when you are ready. Okay, so when we look at point slope form word problems, first of all, I just want to comment that it's really not different than linear, writing in slope-intercept form. However, maybe it's a little bit easier, okay? We still want to look for the slope and points. So we still need to decide what the given information is. Okay, do we have the slope? Do we have a point? What information do we have? Okay. It says the construction company charges $15 per hour for debris removal, plus a one-time fee for the use of a trash dumpster. The total fee for 9 hours of service is $195. Write an equation in point slope form to find the total fee y. So notice I've told you what y is for any number of hours x. Okay, so that's nice. And a lot of times you will see that they will tell you what x and y are. So that's really helpful. So what information have we been given here? I hope when you saw $15 per hour that you immediately thought that was the slope. That per is telling us that that's the slope or rate of change. And then we weren't given the one-time fee, which would be the y-intercept, but we were told that for 9 hours it's $195. So our other piece of information we've been given is a coordinate. Now if we're writing it in point slope form, this is super easy. All we have to do is say y minus y1, which would be 195, equals m15 times x minus x1, which is 9. So that's just your point slope formula that you learned on a previous day. Okay, so then the next question says, what is the fee for the use of the trash dumpster? So that's basically asking for our y-intercept, right? That's what it's asking for. And so all we have to do, well, we could do this two different ways. If we're looking for our y-intercept, we could plug, nope, never mind. All we have to do is take this and rearrange it. So I'm going to say y minus 195 equals, I'm going to distribute 15x minus 135, and then I'm going to add 195 to both sides, and I get 15x plus 60. And so boom, right there is my y-intercept. So the fee is $60 for the use of our trash dumpster. I was thinking just a second ago, we could also plug in 0 for x, because we know our y-intercept is always 0, y. So that would be another way to do it, would be to plug 0 in for x and then work out the problem that way. But it's still going to give you the same result. Okay, let's look at this second example. There is a set fee for renting a moving truck, plus a charge of 50 cents per mile. It costs $64 to rent the truck on a day when it is driven 48 miles. Write an equation in point slope form to find the total charge y for any number of miles x for a one-day rental. Okay, so let's look at our given information. So again, we have per mile. So we've been told that the slope is 0.5 or 0.50. And then we were told that it costs $64 for 48 miles. Well, we know our miles is our x, so 48, and the cost is 64. Okay? Fill in our point slope formula. Y minus 64 equals 0.5 times x minus 48. Simple as pie, right? Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, it's asking for your daily fee. So your daily fee, that's that set fee, that daily fee. So again, we're looking for the y-intercept. So I'm going to take my equation and I'm now going to rearrange it into slope-intercept form. So that would be 0.5x minus 24. I'm going to add 64 to both sides, and that gives me 40. So the daily fee is $40.